And the project is complete. Let's give you a quick walkthrough, a quick tour. Here we go. So we ripped out the carpet in here. We have a full bathroom remodel here. Let's quickly turn the camera around, show you the existing. So here we go. We're going to be installing vinyl planks for the flooring all the way into the toilet room, as well as this closet here. Bring you on into the shower room. So, yeah. Move this builder's grade shower 3x3. We're going to install an 8x8 tile for the shower pan, 12x24 for the walls. And we're back. It is the last day for this bath and shower remodel. We are going to finalize everything today. We will pick up a check tomorrow, pick up our utility trailer and head to the dump. Let's quickly show you what we have to do today. We have to install our vanity today. Unfortunately, it is an all-in-one vanity kit. The top is attached to the cabinet. The sinks are installed, so it's very heavy. We are on the second floor. So we got the all-in-one vanity up the stairs. This thing weighs about 500 pounds at least. It was not easy. We had to go up 16 steps of laminate strapped to this here. And the project is complete. Let's give you a quick walkthrough, a quick tour. Here we go. So we ripped out the carpet in here, replaced it with luxury vinyl planks at a random pattern. Retextured this closet. We removed all the old shelving, textured, paint, installed these 3 shelves here. We pulled the medicine cabinets, installed casing, framed it out. Our client will be staining and installing some shelves here. Same on the other side. Looks clean. The same casing and trim as the door. And of course, this is a new pre-hung door. We removed the old door that swung inside the shower room. This gives you a lot more room to get in and out of the shower room. Door is painted, trimmed out. Let's move on over to the vanity. This is an all-in-one vanity kit from Lowe's. Hardwood, nailed, glued, fantastic quality. Don't ever let people tell you that you can't obtain a quality vanity from Lowe's or Home Depot. You absolutely can. We have a marble top, Carrera, soft close, brush nickel faucets to match all of the metal and the trim and the shower head and trim kit. Let's go into the shower room. Here's the small shower room / toilet room. Installed a new toilet, installed baseboard, painted. Here's the shower. The client is absolutely happy with how this turned out. 12x24 rectified porcelain. This is a travertine look, very durable. For those out there who are considering installing stone for your shower, I would push you in the direction of a durable porcelain. It's easier to clean and maintain, much more durable. We installed at a 50% offset, full tiles landing at the bottom of the niche. And the niche is a 12-inch by 28-inch niche. Really quick, waterproofing and prep is 100% Schluter. Curdy on the walls, Curdy pan, drain kit, Schluter Jolly trim for the size of the shower, as well as the niche here. And we mitered all 4 corners of the Jolly brushed nickel trim. And of course your gecko behind the niche is symmetrical. And of course, matches this beautiful pan. Again, this tile here is supposed to resemble your hand-painted concrete. It's called encaustic floret 8x8 porcelain tile. Very durable, great drainage. Tileable drain, you can remove this to snake if you need to, but a good idea to install a tileable drain. It hides your drain grate, gives it a very modern look. And of course, installed a new shower valve, mixing valve, raised the shower head. We have a shower head, a handheld, magnetic. Everything runs great. Switch it over. And again, fantastic drainage. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and of course, share this video if you know anybody who might find it useful for your bath and shower tile ideas, and I'll see you guys on the next one.